Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the horn fuse is located on this 2003 Audi A6. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? It really helps me out a lot. So we're going to come over here to the driver's side door. We're going to open this panel here, which is where the fuses are located. So just stick something in here, pry, and then pull. And you have access to your fuses right here. So we're looking for slot 40, which is this 25 amp fuse right here. So this is your horn fuse right here, 25 amp, slot 40, which is the third one down in the third row, right there. So I'll have some fuses linked down in the description below that you can get on Amazon if you want to. I hope this video is helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.